Say hi to the camera, Jenny.
No.
Yes. So this is the damage. Look at how high up it was. And there's Grandma's car. And my poor car. And Jenny's poor car. And all the way up the street, and the dummy's trying to drive through it. In his little fancy sports car. Thank God.
He wouldn't even
I would have laughed hysterically at
He
him.
wouldn't have even floated. He'd have been under.
And the trash things floating everywhere. It does. It looks like it's going down. But look how close it came to the garage. See? Yeah, that's only like 2 feet. You stay out of the water.
Why? Negative.
It's a pool. It's a free pool.
Negative.
Why?
Because there's bad things in the water right now.